Responding to feedback on eBay is one of the most important ways to maintain your reputation, strengthen customer relationships, and show professionalism. Whether you've received positive, neutral, or negative feedback, how you handle it speaks volumes about your business. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to reply to feedback on eBay the right way, clearly, confidently, and effectively. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once you're in, head over to the My eBay section at the top of the page. From there, click on the Selling tab. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your listings, orders, and feedback. Next, in your Selling Overview page, scroll down until you locate the Feedback section. This area compiles all the ratings and comments buyers have left about your transactions. Click on it, and you'll see a list of feedback you've received, both positive and negative. Now, find the specific comment you want to respond to. Every piece of feedback will have a reply option next to it. Click this button and a text box will appear where you can type your message. You'll have a maximum of 500 characters, so use the space wisely. The key is to be polite, professional, and to the point. Oh, if the feedback is positive, a quick "thank you for your purchase" or "we're glad you're satisfied" goes a long way in showing appreciation and professionalism. It lets potential buyers know that you value every customer. If the feedback is neutral or negative, your reply becomes even more important. This is your chance to turn a potentially damaging review into a positive impression. Begin by acknowledging the customer's concern, even if you don't fully agree with their comment. For example, "We're sorry to hear about your experience. We've reached out to resolve the issue and appreciate your feedback." This kind of response shows that you care and are proactive about resolving problems. Avoid defensive or argumentative language. Remember, your reply is public and will be visible to future buyers. Keeping your tone calm, respectful, and solution-oriented can actually earn you more trust and credibility. Once you've written your response, review it carefully for tone and clarity. Then, click. Leave reply to post it. Your reply will appear directly under the buyer's feedback, where anyone browsing your profile can see it. Here's a quick tip. Always respond to feedback promptly. A timely reply demonstrates that you're attentive and committed to customer satisfaction. Even if you can't fix the issue immediately, acknowledging it quickly can make a big difference. And that's all it takes. By replying thoughtfully to feedback on eBay, you not only manage your reputation, but also show future buyers that you care about every transaction. Thank you for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, take a moment to explore other ways to optimize your eBay seller account, from improving listings to enhancing customer communication. The more professional your approach, the more your business will stand out.